Hello, I am Hossein from Bosch. Today's video I am introducing great news. Felling and Mitre Saw GCM 254D. Compared to the GCM 254, the GCM 254D has an offset which enables it to have a cutting capacity of up to 310 mm. The electric felling and mitre saw with a 254 mm saw blade is designed for easy and convenient operation and higher stability. It has a double slope and bevel, a lens stop, and is equipped with a laser indicating the cut line to achieve the most accurate cuts. Let's try it out. The GCM 254D has an ergonomic central transport handle that can be easily carried to the workplace by holding it with one hand. And we are at the workplace, we mount on the left and right sides of the extension of the cutting table and fasten it with a locking screw. To fix required length of the extension, we tighten the clamping screw. We install the left and right adjustable rail on the fixed stop rails and secure it with the clamping screw of the lens stop and then place the screw clamp. Workpiece support can be attached to the tool using a flexible insertion system, allowing for various extension or extension options. With the length stop on the guide bar, we can set a fixed length for precise repeated cut. The stop features makes multiple repeat cuts much easier. The extension bar can be used for additional support of a lined workpiece. The extension box can be attached or detached and placed in different places. The new clamping system of the screw clamp is suitable for both vertical and horizontal clamping. When the workpiece is flat, clamping from above is more suitable. For square and taller workpieces, the clamp can be divided into two parts and clamped from the front. Don't forget to use a dust bag or connect a vacuum cleaner to minimize dirt. Now we can try our first cut with the laser indication. We turn on the laser, which will allow us to achieve high precision cuts along a clearly visible laser line. GCM 254D has a shift for larger cuts with a capacity of up to 310 mm. By losing the locking screw on the sliding device, the sliding function can be activated. Here we see mitre stops for preset angle. Press the locking button and then we can use preset angles from the options of 45, 30, 22.5, 15 and 0 degrees, or choose the required mitre angle and secure it with the locking button. Now we can create a mitre cut between 47 degree left and 52 degree right. The cutting capacity at 0 degree setting is 90 by 310 mm. Cutting capacity at 45 degree setting is 90 by 210 mm. Remove the left and right adjustable stops before the bevel cut. By lifting the locking button, the angle of inclination can be quickly changed, and the standard angle of inclination can be selected using the tilt stop. We have preset 3 standard tilt angle stops at 45, 22.5 and 33.9 degree. The scale on the GCM 254D is designed for double tilt adjustment in the range of 45 degree left and 45 degree right. The cutting capacity at 45 degree inclination setting is 45 by 310 mm. By moving the depth stop and adjusting the depth stop screw, we can cut groove as needed. Now let's replace the saw blade with a saw blade for cutting aluminum, but first make sure the tool is disconnected from the mains. As you can see, clean a precise cut can be achieved even on aluminum material. Let's summarize it briefly. The GCM 254D Professional Mitre and Mitre Saw is durable, best in a class, and designed for ease of use, precise repeat cut, and long lifetime. A visible laser indicates the cut line and allows you to achieve even and precise cut. More stable and accurate cutting of long and large material is made possible by extending the table. Comfortable, easy cutting of equal length thanks to the length gauge. Larger cuts with the required precision and displacement capacity of up to 310 mm. The power of this power tool is designed for cutting hard and soft wood as well as chipboard and fiberboard. When using suitable saw blade, it is also possible to cut aluminum profiles, non-ferrous metal, plastics, and laminate floors. The GCM 250/40 is designed for repeated precise cuts with a long service life, suitable for carpenters, glassworkers, roofers, and other craftsmen. So that's all for today, and thanks for watching. If you wanna see other interesting clips about Bosch Professional Technical Solution, follow our YouTube channel and subscribe. All the best.